Yung malalim.
We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Heidi, patikim pa lang tong regalo ko. Mas abangan mo yung sa honeymoon. Napi. Oh, putik. One, two, three. See!
Dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm.
Enjoy your special day. Don't forget, I love you forever and always. See you soon. Aww. Parang may praise pa. Thank you.
Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight.
My love, my best friend, my forever. From the moment you walked into my life, you became my heart's greatest joy and my soul's safest home. I stand here today in front of our loved ones, not just to vow my love, but to promise you my everything, my strength when you feel weak, my light when days grow dark, and my laughter when tears dare to fall.
We met in the digital world, but today, I stand before you in the real world and ready to build our future together. Thank you for choosing me, for loving me, and making our love story one for the ages. You've made me excited to live my life more.
And your heart's against my chest, your lips pressed to my neck.
I love the way you love me. I love loving you. Can't wait to love you more through the years. Happy anniversary. Mahal na mahal kita, Michael.
Kiss me like you wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. This feels like falling in love.
Thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo na ginawa mo sa akin. Sa pagluluto ng ulam araw-araw. Thank you kasi naiyak ako. Pinalakan mo kami ng maayos.
Sa kanila ko din naranasan na magkaroon ng buo at masayang pamilya. Dahil sa kanila, naniniwala ako na posible palang magkaroon ng maayos at buong pamilya. At yan ang pangarap ko para sa ating dalawa.
Oh no, my heart's against your chest. Your lips pressed to my neck. I'm falling for your eyes, but they don't know me yet. I'm with this feeling of regret. I'm in love.
Thank you, thank you.
Kiss
Okay naman, nakaka-excite. Ito na talaga, kasama yung mga mahal namin sa buhay, mga kaibigan. Iba yung feeling na lahat ng close friends mo, family mo nandun.
This feels like falling in love. Falling in love. Falling in love.
Salamat sa lahat. Lahat ng pangarap namin ni Papa para sa'yo, tinupad mo. Yung mga hindi ko natupad sa sarili ko, ikaw ang gumanap. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting anak at kapatid. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mahal na mahal kita, anak.
Salamat dahil bukod sa nanay ko, sa'yo ko naranasan maging paborito. Michael, pinapangako ko na hindi ka na mag-iisa.
So I'll hold you close to help you give it up. So kiss me like you wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. This feels like falling in love. I'm falling in love. Falling in love. Kiss
With every sunrise, I will choose you. With every sunset, I will thank God for you. And for every lifetime that may follow, I will search for you and love you all over again. You are my once in a lifetime, my miracle, and my forever. I give you not just my words, but my heart, my soul, and every piece of me. Now and always, I love you.